How to add or remove the accessibility shortcuts in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, tap on the Add button. Once you are in edit mode, go down and tap on Add a control. In the control list, we scroll down to the bottom. So scroll down to the accessibility section, then tap on accessibility shortcut. So tap on that, and the shortcut will be added to your control center. In here, you can resize the widget to make it larger or smaller. Then swipe up or tap anywhere on a blank spot to save the changes and close the edit mode. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, when you want to quickly access the accessibility shortcuts, just pull down the control center, then tap on the accessibility shortcuts here, and that will bring up your accessibility menu. From here, you can tap on it to use the shortcuts. And that's it. To remove it from the control center, go back into edit mode, then tap on the remove button, and that will remove the shortcuts from the control center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.